Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA. Sound Agriculture's strategic pivot from crop science to turf management showcases their adaptability. By leveraging their expertise in agricultural innovation, they expanded their market reach. This shift not only diversified their portfolio, but also demonstrated their commitment to sustainable practices, enhancing their competitive edge in the industry. Sound Agriculture, founded in 2013, specializes in agricultural innovation. Their flagship product, Source, is a foliar spray that enhances crop yield. By 2020, the company became revenue-generating, marking a significant milestone in its growth trajectory. Sound Agriculture faces slowing venture capital funding, necessitating revenue diversification. Leveraging existing technology, such as their flagship product Source, presents a strategic opportunity. By expanding applications beyond traditional agriculture, they can tap into new markets, ensuring sustainable growth and financial stability. The turfgrass market, particularly in golf courses, presents a significant opportunity. Capturing just 5% of this market can lead to profitability within 5 years. Centralized purchasing decisions streamline entry, while usage patterns differ from traditional crops, offering unique advantages. This sector's dynamics require tailored strategies for effective market penetration. Key strategic questions include defining a go-to-market strategy that aligns with branding and positioning. Financial projections must consider sustainability alignment to ensure long-term viability. Understanding these elements is crucial for capturing market share and achieving profitability in the turfgrass market, particularly within the golf course sector. In the golf course market, centralized decision-making is key, with superintendents controlling purchases. Usage patterns vary, emphasizing aesthetics alongside functionality. Education is crucial. New solutions must clearly demonstrate their value to gain acceptance. Eric Wolf's challenge involves leveraging existing technology while adapting to new market needs. Ensuring cross-functional alignment is crucial to maintain a cohesive strategy. Additionally, upholding a sustainability mission is essential, balancing innovation with environmental responsibility. This strategic balancing act is key to navigating the evolving landscape of golf course management. Our go-to-market strategy involves thorough market research to understand golf course maintenance needs. We adapt Source for turfgrass applications, ensuring it meets specific requirements. Our channel strategy focuses on direct sales to superintendents, supported by a pilot program with trial implementations at key courses to validate effectiveness and gather feedback. Sound Agriculture's branding strategy for the golf course market involves aligning product names with the Source family, ensuring appeal to turf management professionals. Custom packaging highlights professional-grade quality and ease of application. The visual identity emphasizes sustainability, targeting eco-conscious managers. Technical messaging focuses on performance metrics and evidence-based results for superintendents. Sound Agriculture aims for a strategic market share target with minimum viable penetration in the golf course sector. The profit margin is projected to be higher than traditional crop products, ensuring financial viability. A conservative estimate suggests a reasonable time to profitability, aligning with sustainable growth objectives and appealing to environmentally conscious stakeholders. Our sustainability mission aligns with significant environmental benefits. We achieve reduced chemical usage, lower water consumption, and improved soil health. Additionally, our practices enhance carbon sequestration, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. These efforts not only support our financial goals, but also ensure our product innovation adapts to market-specific needs, reinforcing our brand perception and strategic narrative. Adapting product innovation to market-specific needs is crucial for success. Financial storytelling should align numbers with the strategic narrative, ensuring clarity and impact. A strong visual identity is essential for driving brand perception and market positioning, particularly in niche markets like golf courses. In the second quarter of 2022, we conducted market research to tailor our product for turf grass on golf courses. By the third quarter, we developed branding targeting golf course superintendents. In the fourth quarter, a pilot program was launched to gather feedback. By the first quarter of 2023, we executed a commercial release, optimizing our product based on pilot insights. Sound Agriculture's success is driven by strategic positioning in niche markets, an authentic sustainability mission, and effective cross-functional collaboration. Financial clarity paired with a strategic vision ensures robust growth and impact. These factors collectively empower Sound Agriculture to lead in innovative agricultural solutions. Thank you, and for inquiries, reach Skilled MBA via mobile at +91 87553 or email at support@skilledmba.com. Visit their website at https://skilledmba.com for more information.